In this tutorial, we will see how to download Tosca. Let us see how to download Tosca. We need to follow the following steps, step by step, in order to download Tosca. Steps are given as below. First thing is that you need to go to google.com and download Tosca. There you will get the first link where you will get the option to download free trial version. Click on that link, click on free trial link, click on Qtest trial. Qtest is the name of Tosca tool which is used for automation, and you will need to fill the form which is used to download trial version, and your downloading will start. After it is downloaded, you can see it in download folder. So now your first step is to go to google.com and type download Tosca. See, I have typed. See, this is the first link that's opening. You have to click on this, click on free trials. You can see here, there you have to click on free trial link, and now you have to go little down. You can see there are various tools of Tosca used for different purposes. So let us go little upward. It is used for load testing. This tool, you can see the name of the tool is Flood. It is used for continuous load testing, performance testing. So it is one variant of Tosca that is used for performance testing. And this is Agile Test Management. You can see here it is used for test automation. You can see the description as well. You can see here test automation. Start a free quick test trial. Quick test is the name of automation Tosca tool. So you will get 14 days T-Centis Q test trial. So for that you have to do one thing. You need to fill one form. So let us see the form. This is the form. You have to fill the form, and after filling the form only you will get the option to, you will need to go to next page and again fill all the things that are required, and as soon as you finish filling the form, your Tosca trial version of Qtest, which is used for automation testing, starts. So you have to fill the form very carefully, and you have to fill the form, and now after downloading starts and it gets downloaded, it will be downloaded there in the download folder. There you need to click on the setup. You can see the setup T-Centis Tosca 13.2.0, and this window will open as soon as you click on the setup. You need to agree with terms and conditions. Click on continue. So these are the steps. One window will come after, then after another window will come. You just need to click on next button. That's it. And these are prerequisites that are required for downloading Tosca. So you can see the .NET framework and Visual C++. These are the prerequisites that will be downloaded before actual installation will start. So the items which are tick marked are already downloaded. So we just need to click on next button. T-Centis Tosca 13.2 is the latest version. It takes little time. You need to wait for some time till all the components are available. And after you click on next button, next window will appear. clicked on next button, you can see Tosca Commander, Execution Agent and Custom Installation. All these things are there. You just need to click on next, next, next. It's just click on next. You can uncheck it because it's not so useful, and we are downloading trial version. Now you can see these are the things that is ready to be installed. So you need to wait for some time because it takes time. So we need to be little patient, and you can see tick marks are appearing as soon as it is downloaded, and after it is downloaded, this last page is there appears. You have to click on finish button. That's it. But now after it is installed, we need to check whether our license is configured there or not, because to run trial version you need to configure license on it. So let us click on search Tosca Wizard, click on, or uh, you can also choose another option, Tosca license configuration as well. Any Tosca related menu you will select, and you will get the option that yes, no license found for Tosca Commander. You can see here it's denoting error. So this is very important step, Tosca license configuration. You have to click on it, and here there is option to activate Tosca license. So you need to go to connect and connect to cloud hosted license server. You clicked on connect to cloud hosted license server, and here you need to enter your username and password which you have filled during registration of trial version, which I showed you. Because unless and until you do not fill the form and you do not enter username and password in that field, in that form, you will not be able to download it, and you have to fill the same username and password here. So if you due to any reason forget the password, then it won't work. See here, I have forgotten the password and now it is creating issue. I have to go to Tricentis support to get a page where I get the option to reset the password. So let us see how I will reset the password. Here you have business email and password. I am checking it again with another password because I have forgotten the password. And you can see here I am entering password, but it won't work. And you can also see that there is option to reset password. So I will go to that reset password. Remember, you have to go to Tricentis support button. Click on Tricentis support link to come to this page where you have option to reset password. This was my email ID from which I used while registering for Tricentis Tosca for downloading trial version. So you have to give the same username and password. Username I gave as my email ID. And you can see I am going to Tricentis reset password. Here I will need to fill business email ID so that we get link to reset password. I will enter Now you can see your password has been reset and will be mailed to your the address in our system. So that email address should be there, and now I will go to my email ID, and you will get this link. This is my email ID, and you can see need help activating your tile. This is the link you will get. You have to click on this, and you have to click on here link, and you will be able to reset your password. So it is very simple process. Everybody knows everywhere the same process is followed. So we will not be wasting our time here. Now I will be again go to connect, and I will connect to cloud hosted license server, which is first link, and I will enter the reset password, and I will be able to log in. Click on OK button. So now you will get this success message. That means now your license has been installed for trial version, and you can use it for 14 days. So this is the way how to download Tosca Qtest, which is used for automation testing. In this tutorial, we saw how to download Tosca Qtest, how to install Tosca Qtest, and how to configure license on Tosca Qtest automation testing tool. Thank you.